Residents of two Clarendon communities remain locked in a battle this evening to defend their homes, their safety and their sanity, one sleepless night at a time. This amid an increase in burglaries and break-ins. Sandy Williams reports.
In the dead of night, just past 2 a.m. on January 28, a grainy but chilling CCTV clip captured a shadowy figure scaling the gate of a quiet yard in the Mineral Heights community. Less than a month later, on February 14 at 4:23 a.m., another camera caught a man precariously perched on a pole inside a yard, appearing to tamper with equipment attached to the building. Then, on April 7, in the Monimusk County Estate community, the footage grew even more unsettling. A man scrutinizing the grill of a home as if surveying his next target. He was also captured at another section of the yard, walking with what appears to be a crowbar in his hand. For the residents of Monimusk County Estate, these weren't just random acts. They were snapshots of a crime epidemic that has plagued their community for more than a year. Now the people are speaking out, frustrated, fearful, and fed up. The Monimusk County Estate Community Association has sounded the alarm on what they describe as a relentless wave of break-ins and burglaries. The police admit that there has been a spike in burglaries and break-ins since the start of the year.
We are seeing 34 this year in comparison to 25 last year.
Reports suggest that homes are being hit as frequently as 2 to 3 times a month. These are not petty thefts. Entire households have been gutted. Refrigerators, televisions, beds, furniture, and even groceries down to meats and snacks have vanished. What's left behind are ransacked rooms and emotionally devastated families. One resident returned home after a short trip to a harrowing surprise. Her front door had been pried open.
Look, the people, I come home, come to my door like this. My door like this, people. That's my front door. So I come to my door. So my door there, I bang. So I come to my door.
In a rare moment of justice last December, residents caught a suspect red-handed and handed him over to the police. But nearly 4 months later, they are still waiting for news of charges or court proceedings. The silence has been deafening. The police strongly encourage residents to install private surveillance systems to help identify and capture perpetrators.
While you would not be able to respond directly, but it gives you insight as to what is happening, and you can reach out to the police so that we can respond quickly to that instance.
But for some residents who have been proactive, despite handing over a wealth of evidence to the police, they are met with delays, vague promises, and a painful lack of updates. The Clarendon police have, however, named a person of interest, a man only known by the alias Shark, caught on CCTV during a break-in. Authorities have since pledged to intensify their operations in the area, but for Monimusk, that assurance feels long overdue. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.